Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. We're back with another review video for you. So today I got the CHERYLON Car Vacuum Cleaner. I was in my car a couple days ago and my car was pretty dirty, and I realized to myself I don't have a portable vacuum cleaner that I could just vacuum my car with. So I went on Amazon and I purchased this for about 30 bucks. So I'm gonna unbox it, test it out, and then I'll let you guys know what I think, whether or not it's worth buying. So I want you guys to stay tuned. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Looks like we got everything we need. I almost said it didn't come with a carrying case, which I see one at the bottom, which is great. You gotta have a carrying case with these things. All right, so just first things first. Got, looks like the filter, a brush, the device here. We got a carrying case, which is perfect. All right, we got one of our hoses. Alright, we just got some additional attachments there. Another one here. Extra fuse just in case we blow one. QR codes for your warranties. Looks like the manual to put it together. Alright, so cool. Let's put those back in there. All right, and this connects to your car charger, so it's something you might. I'm gonna keep this just in my my car. I may buy like a shop vac, something from an actual garage, but this will be something I can just keep in my car. Anytime there's a mess, just go ahead and pull it out. All right, so everything is pretty self-explanatory. I'm wondering if this goes here. No. All right, we'll see. We'll find out where you go. All right, so it feels pretty good. Build quality, I would say about 8 out of 10. It's hard plastic. It feels pretty sturdy. Feels good. Doesn't feel, doesn't feel like it's gonna break. If you throw it or drop it, it's not gonna break. That's basically how it feels. So that's good. I don't know what this is. That's probably the power button. This looks like it's something to detach the front. Yep. Oh, cool. So it looks like there's your filter there. So you get an additional one. So that would just pull out like so. I'm guessing to empty this thing out, we go through the top without reading the manual. Let's see if this unscrews. Yes, there's an unlock button, and everything just dumps out the front there. All right, so far so good. It's exactly what I wanted and something that's about 30 bucks. We'll snap this back on. Okay, snaps on pretty good. Both sides locked in. You want to have a nice seal. All right, so this will be the area I'm guessing where the attachments will go. So I'm gonna put this one in first. Now the attachments could be a little better. They're also a little plasticky, but they're a little hard. I mean, I wish it was kind of rubber, basically, but once again, it's only 30 bucks. All right, so this I guess is an extender piece. I'm probably going to be using this today along with the brush. So we'll test out both of these in my car right now. Let's go plug it in and see how this thing does. All right, so this is my car here. We've got the device, just going to plug into the cigarette lighter. Like so. Now I'm going to start with the back over here, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this all the way to the back, and then we'll start from over here. Okay, as you guys can see, my back is really dirty. I had to start the car up, so it reaches to the back perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and power on and see if we can get this up. Okay. So we're in there. Okay, no power, no power. Let me make sure it's plugged in all the way. Okay, try again, round two. There we go. Okay, So as far as noise goes, it's not too loud. Suction's okay, let's see. Try a different attachment. Okay, we're gonna put the brush on. Let's see. A little better. Working a lot better and getting out. Some of these things are in here for a little while. Okay. As you guys can see, it looks a lot better. Some of these things have been embedded down in to my fabric for a while. The brush actually helped to get that stuff out because the other attachment almost wasn't doing anything. For a little portable vacuum, the suction is decent. It's not great. It's not a shop vac one that you're gonna get when you go to a car wash, but it gets the job done, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna move to the front and see if it can get the little floor plates in the front nice and clean. But I'm pretty impressed with this little thing. Suction is, I'd say, 7 out of 10, but it's portable. It's something that you would just use on the go, and it should pick up most things. So let's move to the front. Okay, now I'm at the front. Everything that's here is a little more loose, so I expect this to pick up everything in the front. So let's get started. Alright, and you guys can see it picked up pretty much everything in the front there, especially while using the brush. This thing is actually doing quite well. Stuff that's really deep in or too large, yeah, it's gonna struggle. But like I said, This is something portable just to get you by. You can go to the car wash to get your detail when you need it. But if you want something that's just on the fly, on the go, quick and easy, something for your garage on the weekend that you just want to do a quick vacuum, the CHERYLON is definitely something you should look into. Next, I'm going to show how we empty it, and then I'll wrap the video up. Alright, so now let's just get this thing, so I don't spill anything, comes off really easy. Actually, you could detach and then open up the top. Now you don't have to detach to the top like I just did. Once that's open, you can just get a trash can, dispose of everything. Like so. And then you can remove the filter if you need to, and empty out the back side. So what's cool is that you have 2 points of exits here that you can empty, and then just slide it back in, and you're good to go. Pop it back in like so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna give this about a 7.5 out of 10. I do recommend buying this. I would buy it again. I'm gonna keep it in my car for any times just like these that I want a quick vacuum. This thing would be an 8 to 9 if the suction was a little better, or if they included maybe a smaller attachment, something like a needle nose or a needle attachment to get into really small areas. That'd be really great because this thing could pick it up. Bigger things, it's gonna struggle because the suction is not the best, but like I said, it's just something for portable. The brush is a 10 out of 10. This thing is the real MVP. It got all the little things out of my seat. I was a little nervous when I first turned it on. The other attachment wasn't pulling stuff up, but this brush definitely does. It gets a lot of the stuff out. I would say 80% of everything's gonna come out. There's, like I said, bigger stuff, and some of the stuff that's embedded into the fibers or the fabric is the stuff it's gonna struggle with. But hey, that's completely okay for something that's $30. Also, maybe a battery version would be great, but the cord is, God, the cord is long enough for your car. So with that said, I'm gonna end this video. I do recommend buying. I'll put the link in the description to this device here, the portable vacuum cleaner. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take it easy.